not every window installer is going to have clean cloths to throw over your beautiful piano. Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and today let's talk about you getting your brand new windows. What do I do to prepare for my window install? Okay, so you've made your purchase of your windows. You're getting close, you're a week away. They're calling and scheduling an installation with you. So you think, okay, what do I have to do to prepare for this? How should we prepare? Okay, a couple things to think about. One, when you're doing a window installation, it's very invasive, okay? So they're gonna be working on the outside of your home, they're gonna be working on the inside of your home, a lot. So be prepared for that. The thing I tell everybody is to make sure that you have any furniture that's right in front of a window or near a window about 3 feet away from the window. So that way, the guys who are gonna install the windows are going to have drop cloths that are about 3-4 feet wide. They're gonna wanna put those down on the ground and spread those out. That way, any debris can get caught on the drop cloth, not on your carpet, not on your floor, things of that nature. The other thing is pictures. Pulling out your old windows can be a little aggressive. You may actually even see your walls kind of move a little bit. Anything that you have hanging on the wall, any trophies or pictures of family, things like that, you're probably gonna wanna pull those things off. That way, they don't just fall to the ground because of some shaking of a wall because we're pulling out a window or a door or whatever the case is. The other thing that I would suggest is anything that you have of value that's large, piano, let's say, you'd want to make sure that that's completely covered because not every window installer is going to have clean cloths to throw over your beautiful piano or furniture that is, been in the family for a couple of, decades. And so you want to make sure that, those things don't get hurt in the process of this window installation. So take your time and get those covered. The other thing is if you have a pet, your dog or a cat, like for instance, I have a dog, and if somebody's gonna come over to my house, I immediately put my dog in the garage for a little while because I don't want my dog to be jumping all over somebody who, may or may not like dogs. In this case, we're talking about an all day long event, so you're gonna wanna either think about, do I put my, my pet in a daycare for the day or take him to a friend's house for the day? Think about these things because these are all gonna play a factor in how this installation goes for you. The other thing is to think about the longevity. So some jobs take a day, some jobs take half a day, some take a week. So it really just depends on the scope of work for your home. Prepare mentally for that too. If it's a 2-day job, they're gonna be there all day for 2 days. If you have to work from home or something like that, you might wanna think twice about working from home because it's gonna be a little loud. You might want to take your office maybe to a Starbucks, just be at the office of some sort if you have one available to you, but it will be noisy. I can promise you that. These are some of the things that I would advise any of our customers. If you're getting new windows, congratulations to you. It's going to be a great upgrade to your home, but make sure you're checking all the boxes and you're saving your property and also saving your pets if you have any. Any questions, put them in the comment section. I'll be reaching out to you as soon as I possibly can. Thank you so much and make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.